Well, welcome back. It's a great time to play tourist in our hometown. I got to check out Kansas City walking tours. Now, what inspired you to want to start this business and walk people around Kansas City?
Well, it was my neighborhood. I live down here. This is where I own a loft. And what inspired me was a bunch of people from our building went out for a happy hour a few years ago, and we were loving on the neighborhood. The streetcar tracks were just going in. There was a lot of bustle and activity down here. And when we were out, somebody said, "This is such a cool neighborhood. Why aren't there any walking tours down here?"
Yeah.
And combining my love of research, I've been a journalist for years, and my love of the neighborhood, it seemed like a perfect business. And it made me love this neighborhood and the city even more.
So you offer some different tours that people can go on. One here just in the River Market, and then what are the other two?
Well, one in the River Market, which is just a walking tour, talks about history. The other in the River Market is a food tour. So we stay in the River Market, and then the third utilizes our very cool Kansas City streetcar, and we go up and down the streetcar line, hop on, hop off, and hear about the history of the financial district, Power and Light, the crossroads, and then we end up at Union Station before we come back.
Now, one of the things you're teaching me about here is that there's a difference in the city market and the river market. I've lived here 40 years and I don't know the difference.
Let's just call this neighborhood the River District.
River District.
Just for a moment.
Okay.
We refer to it as the River Market, but think of it as the district. And then this 3 acres is the city market, which was set aside by the founding fathers for people to buy and trade goods. And when we walk out of these buildings that surround us, we are in the River Market neighborhood.
And in the next half hour, some outlaw history with Jesse James right here in Kansas City.